हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, जो हमारे एंशियंट हिस्ट्री का एक पार्ट है, जो प्ले करता है बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रोल किसी भी एक गवर्नमेंट एग्जामिनेशन क्रैक करने के लिए। ये इंपॉर्टेंट है यूपीएससी के लिए, एमपीएससी के लिए, एसएससी के लिए, यूपीपीएससी के लिए एंड ऑल द अदर एग्जामिनेशन। तो एक बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए इस वीडियो को बनाया जा रहा है, ताकि आपको एक ओवरऑल आइडिया मिल जाए व्हाट इज द इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन वाज एक्चुअली। सो introduction. The Indus Valley civilization was established around 3300 BC. It flourished between 2600 BC and 1900 BC. The early Harappan phase from 3300 to 2600 BCE was considered. This is also called Harappan civilization. John Marshall was the first researcher to use the term Harappan civilization. So you can say that he was the father of Harappan civilization word. Phases. There are three phases. The early Harappan phase starting from 3300 to 2600 BCE. The mature Harappan phase from 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE. The late Harappan phase from 1900 BCE to 1300 BCE. Pardon me. So BC stand for back century era. Okay. Town planning and structure of Indus Valley civilization. The Harappan culture was distinguished by its system of town planning. Towns were divided into two parts. The first one called as citadel and the second is lower town. Mainly it is assumed that the citadel is for the richest one and the lower town is for the people. The arrangement of house in these cities followed the grid system with street crossing at right angles. The use of burnt bricks in the Harappan site is remarkable. The drainage system of Mohenjo-daro was very impressive. In almost all cities, big or small houses had its own courtyard bathroom. So the grid system, if you consider the crossing at right angle, it will be like this. So there will be street like this, cutting at all the equal angles, making these right angles. Here are some buildings. Here are some buildings. Here are some buildings. Here are some buildings. This is the road crossing at an right angle. Okay. Agriculture. Agriculture of Indus Valley civilization. Villages situated near the floodplains produce significant grains. Indus were the first who produced cotton, which Greeks terms as sindon. They produced wheat and barley on large scale. The other crops were pulses, cereals, dates, mustards, etc. Traces of canals have been found at the Harappan site of Shortungai in Afghanistan. Seals and terracotta indicates that bulls were used for plugging. Evidence of plows were also found in many sites. Religion. Harappan worshipped the mother goddesses. It is evident from terracotta figure recovered from Harappan site. No temple have been found at any site. Amulets have been found in large numbers. The sign of the phallus and female sex organs made of stone have been found. The people of Indus region also worshipped trees and animals. So you can say that they are follow the nature of natural religion as per se. Economy of Indus Valley civilization. Harappan people were mostly peasants, thus civilization was an agro-commercial civilization. Land and sea trade was in vogue in Indus Valley civilization. A dockyard has been found at Lothal, now in Gujarat. Metal money was not used for trade works carried by barter system. The Harappan carried on considerable trade in stone, metal and shell extra. Social and culture. Society and culture, The society and culture of Indus Valley civilization. The mother goddesses was dominant source that the society was predominantly matriarchal. matriarchy Purush Pradhan, matriarchy Mahila Pradhan. There was a division of labor and society was diversified. Three types of burial was common: burial, cremation, and post donation. According to some archaeologists, Harappan society had no ruler and that everybody enjoyed equal status. It is according to some archaeologists. Okay. Scripts of Harappan. Scripts. The Harappans knew the art of writing. They know how to write. More than 4,000 specimens of scripts was found in excavations. The scripts, however, is not alphabetical but pictographic, and it has not been deciphered yet. The script was written from right to left in the first line and left to right in the second line. This style is called as Bostrophodon or Brahmini script. Crafts in Harappa. Art and craft during the Indus Valley period were very sophisticated. Unalloyed copper used for manufacturing artifacts. Stearine was used for making various objects like seal, beads, bracelets. The gold object found in the form of beads, pendant, amulets, brooches. Big storage jars were also produced and more than 2500 seals have been found. Weight and measures. Harappan weight and measures were cubical and spherical in shape and were made up of chert, jasper, and agate. They used a binary ratio system that multiplied the smallest ratio, which is 0.85 gram, by 2. Decline of Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization, you can say that. The Indus Valley civilization declined around 1800 BCE, and the cause of decline of this civilization have not been firmly established. Wheeler is an archaeologist who suggested that an Aryan invasion led to decline of civilization. Another reason is dramatic shift in the river course that caused flood. So it has been estimated that the flood may cause the decline of Harappan civilization. Other scholars suggest that the collapse of Harappan civilization resulted from the climate change. However, this cannot be implied, but who knows? Okay, some major sites. Harappa, situated in Pakistan now. Previously it was in India. Excavated by Dayaram Sahni in 1921. Mohenjo-daro, again situated in Pakistan now. Excavated by R.D. Banerjee in 1922. Suktajendo or Surkotoda in Pakistan, excavated by Stein in 1929. Lothal, situated in Gujarat, excavated by R. Rao in 1953. Banawali, situated in Haryana, excavated by R.S. Bisht in 1974. And Dholavira, situated in Gujarat, excavated by R.S. Bisht in 1985. So, this is all about the Harappan civilization and oversight. You can say that this will help you more than sufficient. Kindly take a notes wherever you want, and all the best. Thank you guys.